and more now, we're seeing that some of these folks who are snagged into this web of licensing are fighting back. I mean, that's a good thing.
It's a very good thing. The professional occupational licensing process has gotten completely out of hand in this country. Hundreds of so-called professions require a license, and it's almost in every case, all it boils down to is that insiders keeping outsiders out. They want to maintain their monopoly and higher prices. So the outsiders suffer, and of course so do the customers because they have to pay higher prices.
Now, you believe that there is some hope because you are watching cases, and it's not just happening in North Carolina. There's a Texas case that you and I were chatting about before we started this interview that you think provides hope. Tell us about that.
Well, I thought that was a very exciting case that came down this summer. The Texas Supreme Court ruled in a case called Patel v. Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation that there were reasonable standards had to be met before it would be possible for a state board to keep somebody from practicing a lawful occupation. In that case, it involved the eyebrow threaders. These are women, mostly women from South India, who use a traditional practice with threads that plucks eyebrows and shapes eyebrows. The State Board of Licensing and Regulation decided that these women should have to have cosmetology licenses, even though the cosmetology courses teach nothing about eyebrow threading. And those would cost thousands of dollars. Well, the Texas Supreme Court said that's ridiculous. They ruled in favor of the eyebrow threaders, and that's what we like to see, victories for economic freedom in state courts under state constitutional law.